Good evening, everyone. Reports were exchanged today between Hamilton County's prosecutor and the attorney for Ray Tenzing. Expert reports giving their opinions on the case.
The body camera Tenzing was wearing captures the moment he shot Sam DuBose in the head. In a story you'll see only here on Local 12 News, Deborah Dixon shows us the very different interpretations of what that video shows.
9233 traffic stop.
You've seen it over and over again. Officer Tenzing stopped Sam DuBose's car on a street near UC. There's no front license plate.
We're on Rice Street, just off of Sill, Ohio, George Lincoln North, 6917, occupied by one.
But the back license plate is registered to the car's owner, whose license is suspended.
Hey, how's it going, man? Hey, how's it going? Good. Officer Tenzing, UC Police. Do you have a license on you? Yeah, what happened? Okay. Is this your phone?
Tenzing asks DuBose for his driver's license several times before DuBose turns on the ignition. One report says Tenzing fired 3 seconds later.
Stop.
The prosecution experts see it one way.
The shooting was not justifiable, that he wasn't dragged. His arm wasn't caught, and the car probably rolled 6 inches before he pulled his gun out and shot him in the head.
The defense maintains Tenzing's arm was entangled in the interior of the car, and when DuBose turned on the ignition, he felt he was being dragged.
Ray has been consistent from the instant this happened that he felt like he was being dragged and going to suffer great bodily harm or death, and for that reason he took action he deemed necessary to stop that threat.
It wasn't an accident, that he intentionally shot him in the head. That's all going to come out in court.
Ray, through his statements, has indicated that he perceived a threat to his life and that he did an intentional act to try to stop that threat.
The Supreme Court says officers can use deadly force if they feel their life or someone else's life is in danger. Matthews says there are reasons DuBose wanted to get away. 2 pounds of marijuana was found in the car.
He's a pain in the ass. He may be dealing drugs. You don't shoot him in the head. That's not a death sentence.
To me, it's like this entire case, whether you're an expert or you're a citizen going to sit on a jury, everybody has a different opinion, different interpretation of what is shown or what they see in that video.
Eventually, 12 members of a jury are going to be asked to agree on what they see and what it means. Deborah Dixon, Local 12 News.
Ray Tenzing is due back in court on February 11th to set a trial date.